Do you want to add a team member to your Gumroad account in under a minute? Here's exactly how to do it. Just open your dashboard and follow these 10 quick steps to invite a collaborator with the right role. Head to your Gumroad dashboard. Then, click on the Dashboard button to open your main view. Click the drop-down menu at top right. From there, select Settings to get into your account settings. Once you're in Settings, click on the Team tab to manage team members. Type the email of the team member you want to add. Then, choose a role for them from the drop-down menu. For this example, go ahead and select Accountant as the role. Click Send Invitation. Done! Team member added. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.